Yung contractor nagagawa ng building, bakit kasama contractor? Ha?
Mr. President,
Ano yan, negosyo? Ha? Na i-deprive ang poor ng mga lupa nila, tapos ninegosyohin nyo yung lupa? Ano yon? Ba't may contractor at ano yon, ibebenta? Sabi nila, how are you able to buy? You have to apply sa pag-ibig. And if you're
combine yon dun sa components ng 4PH na ito nga, gaya ng sinabi nyo, over time, naging 4-story. So, yun po ay consistent dun sa mid-rise na condominium na sinasabi na I hear the good gentlewoman, Mr. President.
₱500 for the land.
Ye-
That they can afford. O, later on, magsisave sila. Pag lumaki ang anak nila, nakakasave sila, then slowly they build their homes there on the land. But ang sinasabi ko, don't deprive them of the land because you want to build condominium.
Yes, Mr.
They cannot
President.
afford the condominium.
Opo, gaya ng nabanggit ko po kanina sa Good Gentlewoman, ang konsepto po ng department sa 4PH and with government guarantee ay yung mismong informal settlers na nandun sa isang
Hindi
lupa.
nga sila ko-qualify eh. Kasi wala silang income na gano'n that can afford to pay for the amortization of the condominium. Let's be practical. They cannot afford that. Mga ano lang yan eh, tricycle driver. Mga nagtitinda sa palengke. Eh, hindi naman everyday continuous ang income nila. Wala naman magsa-certify sa income nila, napapasa sa pag-ibig. Alam kung mag-process sa pag-ibig, there should be a certification of your income. Who will certify for the tricycle driver and the nagtitinda sa palengke?
Mr. President.
Kasi kami rin, nagpo-process kami sa pag-ibig. Kami nga, nagda-down pa sa amin ng ang laki-laki, bumabagsak pa rin sa pag-ibig. Nire-refund namin yung down payment kasi they cannot qualify.
Mr. President, kahit sa 4PH na may government guarantee, may nakikitang importanteng papel ang pag-ibig. But to get back to the important concern ng Good Gentlewoman, meron na po tayong proof of concept with informal settlers sa Bacolod. Tama po? Sa Bacolod. So, I hear what the Good
Maybe-
Gentlewoman is saying, yung
Maybe
problema
they
sa
built
Las
the
Piñas.
condominium when there are no homeless or poor people there. Here in Las Piñas, they will remove the homeless and the poor people to build the condominium. Where will the poor and the homeless go? O hindi naman sila ko-qualify dun sa pag-ibig to buy the condominium. How do we solve that?
If the Good Gentlewoman would allow, pwede ko pong i-present yung data doon sa case study, yung best practice na na-establish doon sa Bacolod.
Baka sa Bacolod, okay yun.
Yes, of course. Ibig ko lang pong sabihin.
Baka gumasta ang LGU.
Well, actually, Mr. President, yun po yung nabanggit ko sa Good Gentlewoman kanina. Kaya nga
The
po,
problem is our LGU cannot spend. We only earn 3 billion a year.
Yes, Mr. President,
55% will go to, marunong ako sa finance eh.
Yes.
55% will go to PSN overhead. Di ang matitira lang 1.2 billion. And that will cover yung health benefit, yung educational benefit, yung pag-support sa mga police, pag-support sa fire department and everything. What will they spare for homes of the poor?
Yes, Mr. President. I appreciate po na magkakaiba ang
Hindi tayo
specific
magkakaiba.
situations on the ground.
Siguro,
Because
hindi tayo nagkakaiba. Siguro, ang difference lang natin, nakita ko na yan sa Las Piñas.
Yes,
And I
Mr.
know what happened.
Yes,
So, I'm sharing you. Maybe si Secretary, sanay siya sa private. Ay ako, sanay ako sa, tanungin mo ang iyong NHA, ako ang nagre-relocate linggo-linggo sa kanya. Dinadala ko sa NAIC kasi doon sa NAIC, walang down payment, 700 ang hulog. Tingin ko, kayang-kaya yun ang mahihirap. Bakit ayaw gumawa ng programang gano'n na kaya ng mahirap? Bakit pipilitin ng mahihirap mag-condominium which they cannot afford? Yun lang ang question ko. I just
from
want
Las Piñas.
to tell the
Yes.
that they should give the option to the people what they want. If they want condominium or if they want the land.
Parehong advocacy natin dyan, Good Gentlewoman,
Wag
kahit
nilang
bilang sponsor
puwersahin
sa DSU.
mag-condominium kung hindi kaya.
Yes,
They
Mr.
be
President.
given the option to buy the land. And then yung land na lang. Kasi sa amin, gusto lang nila, kanila yung lupa. And mura lang yon. Oh, give them the option. Don't force them to buy from the condo because many of them cannot afford it. Oh, yun lang ang inaano ko sa inyo that after all, your mandate is to provide for the homeless and the poor. Eh bakit mo po pwersay mag-condominium yung homeless and poor if they cannot afford it? Oh. Oh.
Yes,
So,
Mr.
yung option na yun should not be removed from them kasi gagawin nila, tatanggalin nila yung mga homeless and poor, tapos tatayuan nila ng condominium, tapos hindi naman magkukwalify yung homeless and poor to buy the condo, where will they go?
Yes, Mr. President. 100% nakikisa ang representasyong ito sa good gentlewoman sa kanyang advokasya. At
Huwag nilang bubulahin yung mga mahihirap na aalis kayo dyan, bibigyan namin kayo ng kondo. Akala nila libre yung kondo, hindi nila alam, babayaran nila yun. And they cannot afford it. I know they cannot afford it. Oo. So, give them the option. Sila mamili kung gusto nila, lupa lang ibigay sa kanila, o buildan sila ng kondo, di ba? And many of them would prefer na bigyan na lang sila ng lupa and mag-save na lang sila to build houses on the land in the future. Kasi nagawa na sa amin yun, so why are they changing the model? Yun lang ang question ko.
yes, Mr. President, and definitely the model is not being changed. May affirmation po tayo dito na CMP as an option will always be there and will not be abandoned. Nga lang kailangan talaga ng funding mula sa GAA na historically hindi po naibibigay. Pero patuloy po natin ilalaban na laging kasama po ang CMP. Pati po, yes?
We can approach government financing institution to buy the land and then the people will pay amortization for the land. Hindi naman kailangan manggaling sa GAA yun eh. If you will arrange that Pag-ibig will buy the land and they will pay amortization to Pag-ibig. Oh, they don't want the land for free. They just want the opportunity to be able to pay amortization on the land. Kasi mas mura yon than condominium. Yun lang naman ang option na binibigay namin. Hindi naman sila naghahanap ng libre. They're willing to pay the amortization, but you give them a chance. May model na gano'n, na bibili ng Pag-ibig or government financing institution ng land, and then they will pay for it through amortization. And they will even willing to pay down payment. Eh, paano ba ginawa yung NHA na walang down payment, tapos 700 ang hulog, may mga, ginagawa, inililipat ko yun sa inyo sa NAIC eh. Di ba that's a better model? Imagine a townhouse, and our people from, they pay, they don't pay down payment, they just pay 700 a month, tuwan-tuwa sila dun eh.
Yes, Mr. President, and actually, hindi po nalalayo yung 700 pesos na sinasite ng good gentlewoman sa tinatantsyagin with amortization subsidy na babayaran kahit sa mga low-rise buildings bilang isa, hindi lang yung solong option sa 4PH dahil nga, lagi nandun pa rin ng CMP, lagi nandun pa rin ng LADA. Hindi po, not according to this table ng DSUD. Okay. Kasi di... Oh, definitely, good gentlewoman, Mr. President.
Just a point of order,
Senator
Your
Sitzer,
Honor,
can you please use the mic so we can hear you?
Thank you, Mr.
I'm
President.
just protecting the people living on the informal settlers. They are being deceived that they will be given condominium. Akala nila free yon. Sabi ko, mahal yan. So, huwag kayo aalis dyan sa lupa kasi pwede namang ibenta sa inyo yan lupa. At yan ang hulugan nyo, mas mura. Oo. Yun lang naman yung option na yun. Kasi paaalisin sila eh. And pagpunta nila sa Las Piñas, kasama pa nila Shopsy. Oh. So, who are doing that?
Mr. President, as I was saying kanina, bukod dun sa...
Kasama
may
nila contractor. Ano po? Oh, yung contractor nagagawa ng building. Bakit kasama contractor? Ha?
Mr. President,
Ano yan,
as-
negosyo? Ha? Na i-deprive ang poor ng mga lupa nila, tapos ninegosyohin nyo yung lupa? Ano yon? But may contractor at ano yon, ibebenta. Sabi nila, how are you able to buy? You have to apply sa Pag-ibig. And if you're rejected, you are not entitled.
Mr. President, as I said earlier, kahit kay Secretary mukhang may problema dun sa Las Piñas, and as in previous years, we should, yes, well, it's a good example to gain practical lessons from. So baka kailangan nating tugunan on the ground. Pero gusto ko ring i-make of record na yung binanggit ng good gentlewoman na 700 pesos amortization ay hindi na po nalalayo dun sa nakikitang posible ng department with amortization subsidy. Lalo na kung in partnership sa LGU na may 1,000 pesos